In this video, we are going to talk about the sup and sub-elements in HTML. The sup element stands for superscript and the sub-element stands for subscript. The sup element allows you to display text above the main body of text. And you can see an example how that works in normal typography. These characters right here are above the main body of text. Now, subscript is the exact opposite. We place the text below the main text. Okay, so let's go ahead and use these two elements in our HTML page. So what we want to do first is raise the RD here for August 23rd. We want to put this RD above the 23, and that's something you'll see in normal typography. So first, let's go ahead and put in the opening tag of the sup element. So we'll just put SUP here, and then we'll go ahead and close it out. And let's go ahead and save this. We'll refresh our page. And there you can see the RD now is above the main body of text, which is what we wanted. Now let's take a look at this second paragraph. Now usually in terms of chemical notation for H2O, the 2 is usually below the H and the O. So what we want to do is actually put this below the H. And we do that, of course, with the sub element. So let's go ahead and put that in here. And we'll go ahead and close it out now. Let's go ahead and save this. Let's refresh our page. And there you can see this looks more accurate on our HTML page now. It looks like an actual chemical notation. So these aren't widely used elements, but they're good to know. It can add a little bit more professionalism and pizzazz to your web page. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. See you guys in the next video.